Alright, guys, unfortunately, even though I was $250 away from a $1,000 payout, I started shorting a trend day up. And you guys might be wondering, well, why are you shorting a trend day up? It is because I misread the supply and demand equation. Alright, I thought price was starting to set up to be bearish, but what I didn't account for was the fact that new demand was printing and that we were bouncing from a higher time frame demand zone that I didn't catch until later on in the day. But at that point, I had married my bear bias and I started sizing up. So I thought, oh, this is the reversal. This is the reversal. And then ended up compounding into my best account, taking a $464 loss. My, oh, I have no Wi Fi. So you guys can't see. But just so you guys know, all these other accounts, they took out around a $300-$400 loss. This one took a $600 loss. So we crunched the numbers real quick. One account lost 600, I believe. Another one lost, fuck, I don't remember. Was it 300? Maybe 350. And then, fuck, I don't remember. 300, 300, 300. All right, let's just make it easy. I don't know why I don't have any data right now, but let's say it was 900 here, and then 600 here, which means 1500. This one lost. Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, so 600, 370, 370. Yeah, I mean, I uncopy traded all of them, which thank God I did because I would have compounded the losses even further. So, yeah, 700 plus 900. Nope. 700 plus 600 because those are three counts right there. Plus another 350 plus 464. Yeah, so I lost 2K today. Holy fucking shit. When I was a couple dollars away from fucking payout. And yeah, had I just stayed small size, I would have been able to trade another day. But this is a pretty big setback. However, it really just leaves me break even on this month, thankfully. Kind of. Oh, okay. Okay. So on some accounts, it does not make me break even. But yeah, I wanted to review the day. So yeah, look at this. Married my short bias. Short, short, short. Where's May 6? Yeah, I took these many trades. Like, yeah, I was scaling in. And then, yeah, at one point yeah, I just kept on sizing up on these trades. Because you look, they're 841, 830, and 810. Let's review the trade. So yeah, look. After 7:30, this is when price became bullish because if you look on the 30-minute chart, there was a demand zone right here, and we were bouncing off of another 1-hour demand zone right there. But yeah, this is the demand zone that we were bouncing off of because when price starts lifting off in thin air like that and printing new demand, this was probably the low at this point here because of this 30-minute demand. So I expected it to actually go I would have expected to go above all-time highs had I known that we were bouncing up. Because look, there's no equal or greater supply zone in the way of this leg here, right? So, yeah, it dropped time frames. Yeah, I mean, there's really just nothing. I mean, after this could be a 15-minute supply zone right here. After this, it's like, bro, there's nothing. So, yeah, after we did that and then we printed new demand, this could be a 5-minute if you look at it. Oh, wait. We count it as a 5-minute. No, wait, no. This is not a 5-minute demand zone. Yeah, I would not consider that a 5-minute demand zone, but on the 1-minute it is. Because if you look at... Wait. No, fuck. I had it marked as a 5-minute. Holy shit, I'm such a chud. Alright, yeah, so this I had it marked as a 5-minute demand zone. And it is kind of messy because these two candles here. Honestly, I guess I would probably put it right there. Yeah. Right there. So rally, this is the basing formation right here. And then rally right here. Very strong candle up. And because it's a lower time frame and we're near all-time highs, it does get kind of messy. But we do know this right here. This leg is bullish. Now, whether you can actually play or hop on is a whole different question. Me personally, I'm not seeing any good entries because this right here is pretty much where the messy price action is. So you got to wait until we're out of that area, flip this. So the new demand printed. And I mean, yeah, overall, this was just a very hard leg to play. Like, this could have been a position here. Let me think. I mean, yeah, I would have thought that somewhere around here, like maybe right here, was a good entry. 1, 2, 3. And it's like, I knew the bias was long after I reviewed the day, but during the 8:30, 8:40 part, I thought this was bearish. And then if you look, 8:10, yeah, I thought this was just a continuation of the trend down because I didn't have this 30-minute demand zone marked. So because I didn't have it marked, yeah, I thought at this time frame we were going bearish because look at this big down move. But the problem was it wasn't even coming from anything. And that's where it gets kind of dangerous to play these reversals at all-time highs. Yeah, it was already coming from nothing. So, yeah, realistically, I should just not have touched shorts until we had more confirmation. Like, this right here probably would have been confirmation. This 50-minute right here, had price kept on going down, probably would have been confirmation. But yeah, I mean, pretty much what I'm trying to say, I got to wrap this up, but what I'm trying to say is that price was bullish after this bounce. And then right here, it's kind of messy to play. This one, you would have got stopped out once. But then after we go back in it, the long trade would have been probably right here. Yep, right there. And let's go to the 5 minutes, see if there's a fair value gap that came out of it. Yep, there was. Never got tested though. So hard to get on like that. But yeah, that's it.